In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Facebook Marketplace notifications on Android. If Marketplace alerts are getting a little too chatty, I'll walk you through the exact place in the Facebook app where you can turn them off or fine-tune exactly which ones you still want to see. You only need your Android phone and the Facebook app installed and signed in. Start by opening the Facebook app. From the main feed, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. Depending on your app version, it's usually in the top right. Tap that to open your account and app options. Next, tap Settings and Privacy to expand more options and then tap Settings. This takes you to the main control center for your account and app behavior. If you see a search bar at the top of Settings, that's handy for later, but we'll navigate there manually so you know where everything lives. Scroll down until you see Notifications. Tap Notification Settings. This is where Facebook groups all the different categories of alerts like comments, tags, groups, and marketplace. The wording can vary slightly between app versions, but you're looking for the dedicated place where notification types are listed. Now find and tap Marketplace. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It's often a bit lower in the list. Tapping Marketplace opens all the notification controls just for buying and selling alerts. Here you have two approaches. If you want complete silence from Marketplace inside the Facebook app, turn off Allow Notifications on Facebook. With that switch off, you won't see Marketplace alerts in-app and you won't get Marketplace push notifications from Facebook. This is the cleanest way to stop the noise while still keeping the rest of your Facebook notifications working as usual. If you prefer a lighter touch, you can leave the main switch on and turn off only the specific alerts you don't want, like messages from buyers and sellers, new listings recommendations, saved search updates, or order and shipping updates. For example, if you're actively selling, you might keep messages on so you don't miss a buyer inquiry, but turn off new listing and recommendation alerts. If you're just browsing, you might silence messages and save searches instead. Adjust these until the notification stream matches how you actually use Marketplace. That's it. You can revisit these settings anytime to re-enable notifications or tweak them as your needs change. If Marketplace doesn't appear in the list, make sure your app is up to date. Also note, device-level Android notification controls exist separately, but what we adjusted here specifically manages Marketplace alerts inside the Facebook app. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter Facebook experience.